AI can right now create amazing music. ElevevnLabs music just came out and you can test it out completely for free. You can generate up to 11 minutes of music every single month completely for free. If you don't have an ElevevnLabs account, you can join through the link down below in the description. So let's test out this model. I already have created one song, which is an instrumental gang style rap beat for a gaming video, and it was absolutely insane. A couple of days ago we covered Suno, that is able to generate amazing songs, but I think that this ElevevnLabs integration is even better. In any case, I would highly suggest that you also go ahead and watch that video and do a comparison yourself. Suno is right now the number one. ElevevnLabs is not even showing on the artificial analysis music arena. But let's get started. Let me show you what it created. So these are the styles that were added for my prompt. And let's hear the audio, and then I will show you how to set it up completely for free, just for you, just for the settings you want. So let's hear it. Ooh, it's super smooth, it's amazing. I really love also how it goes out smoothly and it shows you the different parts of the song. So, music. You can also do vocals with it. And first of all, you want to select how many variants of a prompt or of a song will be created. Also, you want to set how much time it's going to take. 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 4 minutes. We're going to go for 30 seconds because we do not want to eat up our beautiful credits. And only one variant. So let's create a new song, Taylor Swift like pop song with girly voice, and let's test it out. So your prompt appears to have violated the terms of service. Please try again. It suggests this prompt. So the term of service do not allow you to put a famous artist name because ElevevnLabs has worked with labels and producers and artists. So that's also nice to see. In any case, if you have a paid subscription, you can use this music for commercial purposes. However, you cannot use it to distribute music, etc, etc. So let's hear it. Let's see what it can create. You can see that the generation is happening super fast. It's insane how fast it generates the song. And if you want to learn how to make more money than ever with AI, I have created a course for you with over 25 hours of tutorials and material. And this course is getting updated every single month, so you can find it down below in the description. You only pay a small fee just once, you buy it and you keep it forever. This is the best offer in the market and I would love to see you inside the course. So let's hear what the song is like.
I used to hide behind a shadow of doubt, busting my fears, I couldn't find a way out. Then you came and once fucking smiled my hopes with every mile. Now I'm standing taller than I've ever been, burning the trust, the light within. We grew together, hearts open wide, east in the world with even my side, every step forward.
So we can fully understand that this is production quality. The voice is clear, the vocals are very clear, the background, instruments are amazing. So I would do 2 changes, add metal drums and make the voice of the song a male heavy metal singer. So we're going to completely change the song. We are going to change the narrative of the song and I really want to see how this will perform. We're talking about a huge edit to the music that is going to be generated. So I really want to see what it will be able to do, if it can actually edit, the music, if it can completely change the song. That's going to be pretty insane in my opinion, if it's able to do it. And this is pretty much for people that say that AI cannot create music, cannot create art. I think it actually can. And by judging the model, how fast it is, it's probably not a huge model. Maybe 5 to 6 billion parameters. That's nothing, guys. That's pretty much nothing. In 1 year from now, we can have a 50 billion, model creating insane music of each type in a couple of minutes. Do you understand what this means for the industry? People can just create instrumental tracks and trap over them. They can do whatever they think. People won't have to pay third-party providers for music. They can create and use their own music. So it's still generating, as we can see here. It takes a little bit of time, but it's chill, it's quite fast, and we're talking about a state-of-the-art model that is producing amazing results. Let me know down below in the comments if you actually like this result, if you like this music, if you feel it's actually nice. A lot of people feel scared about AI taking over, whatever. I understand it, it's a little scary, but this is the future. Let's hear the final edited music.
I used to hide behind a shadow of doubt, lost in my fears, I couldn't find a way out. Beginning with a spark in your smile, showing me hope was every now. Standing taller than I've ever been, when they trust the light within. Grew together, hearts open wide, facing a world with you by my side. Every step forward, every tear we made, led us here stronger, unafraid. Found a way brighter days.
Okay, that's pretty insane, and let's hear again the intro because this is interesting.
I used to hide behind.
It's amazing how AI thought of keeping the woman's voice at the start. I don't know if this is on purpose or a mistake of AI, but it's pretty insane to me how they did this transition. That was insane. Guys, I think this is something so unexpected, so amazing. You also get to keep the variants and download them here by clicking that button, or share them with a friend by clicking the share button. And you know, you get also like this beautiful image. I mean, this is incredible. This is incredible, and anyone can view like this song with a public share page. Oh my god. Let me know what you think about this model down below in the comments.